Refilling. Vehicles fitted with SCR, Selective Catalytic Reduction technology, use the AdBlue solution to reduce contaminant emissions. The AdBlue deposit has a capacity of approximately 10.4 litres and must never be empty. When the AdBlue tank has a range of less than 2,400 kilometres left, the instrument panel indicates that it needs to be refilled. If this information is ignored and the tank becomes empty, it will not be possible to start the engine. Only use AdBlue that complies with the ISO 22241-1 standard. Open the tank cover by pressing gently down on the left-hand side. Screw off the blue cap on the AdBlue filler neck. Place the cap in the hole provided in the hinge of the open cover. Introduce the pump or refill bottle nozzle and fill up the tank. After filling up the AdBlue tank, screw on the cap and close the cover.